Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your Samsung S26. So first, what you guys want to do is enable the auto rotate in the quick settings. So you scroll down from the right side. Now you open this up, and if you see auto rotate here, then it's already enabled. But if you see portrait, then you need to click on it. And now what you guys want to do is tilt the phone to test the gyroscope in different apps. So we're going to start off with the Galaxy Store. Let's go over and do that. As you guys can see, it works. Now for the gallery, also works. Play Store, it also works. Google Messages, phone app, camera. So you can notice the difference in the camera, because now it is like this, and once we do that, it's like this. And of course the browser. So that's how we know that it works. And what we're gonna do next is simply we're gonna restart the phone to reset the sensors. So we're gonna press the power button, the volume down button at the same time, tap on restart, and tap again to restart the phone. So now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second. After the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any sensor glitches. So open up the settings and scroll all the way down until you see software update. Tap on check for updates, and as you guys can see, we should soon see the results. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software, so you don't stick around with all the glitches laying around on your device. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.